So this is going to be our 9C, and it's going to be the third video. That last one was short. Sorry about that. So simplify. First combine into a single log and then evaluate the resulting log if possible. All right, so remember that we want to bring this 2 inside first. So log base 3 of 6 squared minus log base 3 of 4. Then I have subtraction, so I'm going to do division. So log base 3, and I'm going to write this as a 36 divided by 4. So that's log base 3 of 9. And we ask ourselves 3 to what power is equal to 9? Remember, the log is the exponent, so 3 to the second power is 9. So this answer is 2. So you might try this one. I'm getting ready to do it, but you might try it ahead if you wanted to. Here, there's no coefficients to bring in. So again, I'm going to say log base 4 of 3 divided by 48. So log base 4 of 1/16. So 4 to what power is 1/16? Well, I can see 4 squared, so there's going to be a 2 involved in it. And there's a reciprocal, so remember that means it's going to be a negative 2. So 4 raised to the negative 2 power is going to be 1/16. That flips it to 1/4 and then squares it. All right, so now we're going to be solving log equations. So here's our first rule. If the log base b of m is equal to the log base b of n, so the bases are the same, the only way that's going to happen is if m is equal to n, and that's what I'm going to say. So if the logs, I can just take what I'm taking the log of, and they're both equal. So that means there's a log on both sides of the equal sign. So solve for x. We want to, if there's 2 logs, it says if there's 2 logs on one side like there is right here, we're going to combine them into one log so that it has a look like this, log equal log. All right, so here we have that look, log equal to a log. They're both base 3. So we can just say that 5x is equal to 2x minus 5. Almost too easy, right? You're not crossing out the logs, but you're using that rule. So then I'm going to solve it. So 3x is equal to negative 5. Divide both sides by 3. And x is equal to a negative 5/3. So truthfully, I come up with this negative answer here. I can't have a negative answer when I plug this in. This is going to be negative. And I can't take the log of a negative number. So this is actually no solution. That's not a good way to start, but there it is. I'm not going to do it wrong, but that's what you would do. All right, so here I want to first simplify both sides. So I'm going to bring my 2 in. So I get the log base b of 7 squared is equal to, and then I'm going to combine these two together. Since it's addition, when I combine them, I'm going to multiply and get 5 times x. So now I have a log equals to a log. So I can say that my 7 squared is equal to 5x. So I'm going to say 49 is equal to 5x. Divide both sides by 5, and I get 49/5 for my answer. All right, so pause the video while we just after we work that type of problem and work this one now so that you remember exactly what we did. So pause it and then pick back up. All right, so 17, I'm going to go ahead and work. So I will do that. So again, I want to combine my 2 logs together. So I have log base a, and because it's subtraction, I'm going to have a fraction when I combine it. So 3x plus 5 over x minus 5 equals to the log base a of 8. So now I have a log equal to a log, so I can take my insides and set them equal to each other. So 3x plus 5 over x minus 5 is equal to 8. So to solve it, I'm going to multiply by x minus 5 on this side, or multiply 3 by x minus 5, and that will give me 3x plus 5 is equal to 8 times x minus 5, so 8x minus 40. All right, so then I want to solve it, so I'm going to subtract my 3, so that's going to give me 5x, and I'm going to add my 40 to this side and get 45. Divide by 5, and we get that x is equal to 9. All right, so this kind of looks a little scarier, doesn't it? So go ahead, though, and stop the video and give this a try. I'll probably pick up on another 4th video